Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Jaguar I-PACE to InControl Remote, full guide step by step clearly. To connect your Jaguar I-PACE to InControl Remote, begin by ensuring your vehicle is parked and the ignition is off. Next, gather your smartphone and ensure that the InControl Remote app is downloaded. Open the InControl Remote app on your smartphone. If you are a new user, tap on Create Account to set up your profile. Follow the prompts to enter the required information, including your email address, password, and vehicle details. If you already have an account, simply log in with your existing credentials. Once logged in, tap on Add Vehicle to link your I-PACE to your account. You will be prompted to enter your vehicle identification number, or VIN. You can find the VIN on the driver's side windshield or in your vehicle's documentation. After entering the VIN, tap on Next to continue. The app will now search for your vehicle and send a request for connection. Check your Jaguar I-PACE touchscreen for a notification indicating an incoming connection request. Approve the request on your vehicle's touchscreen to complete the pairing process. Once approved, your I-PACE and the app will sync and display the connected status. You can now access various features through the InControl Remote app. Explore remote functions like climate control, locking and unlocking doors, and checking battery status. Ensure your smartphone has a stable internet connection for optimal use of the InControl Remote app. If you encounter any issues during the process, refer to the troubleshooting section in the app for further assistance. Once successfully connected, enjoy the convenience of managing your Jaguar I-PACE remotely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.